Well guys, back again with the Lightning. Had plenty of videos of the Lightning recently. It's a great go-to model just to fly, just to enjoy flying. Now I've got this out again because I'm at a new destination. Right, I've thought about flying here a few times, but the field's normally full of cattle, so all the grass has been cut down. You've still got to be a bit careful underfoot because obviously where it's been wet and slushy, the cow hooves have sunk in everywhere, so there's trip holes and potholes everywhere. Right, where's the wind coming from? Right, what are you doing? That's better. I haven't actually tried any high rates on this yet. It's on low rates, but I think it would have some serious roll rate on high rates. I mean, when I first got it, I numbed it down because I didn't know what it was going to act like, and I haven't really changed it too much. Right, I think we're all out of juice. I'll have to try and do another circuit here because this thing just builds up major speed in a dive. So just get the nose down first, that's it, and we're getting a high alpha note. It just wants to keep gliding. I'm gonna have to walk for it. Still flying, still going. There, we're down. Oh, right, guys. I think we'll leave it at that. Time's getting on there. It's probably getting on for about 8:30 in the evening. Might have a go at bringing another couple of van launchers up here. Well, I'll say we'll leave it there. I won't torment everyone to the long walk. Cheers for watching, guys.